Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having an amazing day and a summer makeup routine. I like to do like not so much makeup in the summer because it's number one, it's hot and nobody wants all of that. Like it's so much pound of makeup on your face. Nobody really wants all of that. So if you guys a get ready with me type of video and you guys want me to talk throughout the video, let me know in the comment section below. I would love to. And let me know like what topics you guys want me to talk about. Like if you guys want me to talk about relationships, like confidence level, or if you guys want me to talk about anything, let me know. I would love to talk about it. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Subscribe and let's get started. Okay, so I'm going to be taking my Benefit Professional face primer that I always use. I'm like basically running out. I need some more primer. Let me know what type of primer you guys like in the comment section below and I'll be happy to use it. I'm just gonna put it all over my face like that. And if it looks like I'm looking down, I'm looking at my mirror down here. Alright, so I'm going to be taking my Maybelline Fit Me foundation that I really like for summer because it's kind of like dewy. Gives off a really, whoa, that's a lot. It gives off like a very matte finish. I'm going to be taking my beauty blender and just blending it. I take forever to blend, so I'm just gonna speed this up. I'm going to be taking my Wet n Wild concealer and just putting it right here. Right here. I'm gonna put some concealer like down my nose. And some right here. Yeah. Do I need some on my forehead? Yes, you do. So I'm gonna put that right there. Now I'm just gonna blend this in. I don't think I'm gonna contour. I think I am gonna use eyeshadow though. So I'm gonna be taking the Carly Bible eyeshadow palette. And I'm gonna be taking my eyeshadow brush. Or no, powder. Crap. Taking my powder brush. I'm taking my powder brush and just putting that all over my face. I'll be using eyeshadow. So, I think I'm gonna take this, like, probably this brown color. I love this palette because you can really use it for like every day. You can use it for going out, or you can use it for like just a whatever type of day. That's what I do. I'm just gonna literally put it in my crease or all over my eyes. So pretty. Mind you, I have no mascara, so I have no lashes. I don't really need mascara. My eyelashes aren't horrible, but you know, I love makeup. Makeup is something I've always wanted to do. So this makeup tutorial is gonna be so short. I'm so excited about like next week videos. I have like makeup videos I want to do. I definitely still want to do like fashion videos. And so yeah, that's that. To add a little bit of to me, I think I'm gonna take this glittery color and put that all over my eyelid, all over my eyes. You guys like my nail color? I'm in love. Purple is actually one of my favorite colors, so well, it's actually my favorite color ever. So I'm gonna brush my eyebrows. What? Oh wow, wow. And I'm gonna be taking this Kylie Jenner lip kit. I love this one. It's like very nude. Is it even coming out? Okay, so instead of using my Kylie Jenner, which I don't have any more of that, I'm going to use my Fenty Beauty lip gloss, which is the best thing in this world. Okay guys, this is the finishing look. This look is very kind of like natural and not so much because it's the summertime. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more videos. And if you guys want me to do more videos like this, let me know in the comment section below. Or if you guys want me to do a get ready with me, like a chit chat, give me some topics you guys want me to talk about in the comments, or let me know on my Instagram or Twitter, and I'll be happy to do so. And yeah, hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.